The wait is almost over, and this time it genuinely feels different. This is not just another routine update cycle. The upcoming DJI Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most meaningful upgrades we have seen in the entire Pocket lineup. Before we go any further, drop a comment and tell me if you think this camera is worth the hype or just another overhyped release. Because from how it is being rolled out to what is reportedly inside, everything points to a device built with real creators in mind. Let's start with what is already happening behind the scenes. As of April 4th, 2026, offline pre-orders have quietly begun across mainland China through authorized DJI dealers. But this is not your typical online checkout experience. Instead, retailers are managing orders through WeChat and direct conversations, creating a more personal, almost insider-style buying process. It is strictly first come, first served, meaning early buyers are securing their units before the official announcement even hits the global stage. That announcement is expected on or before April 20th, with retail stock arriving in China around the same time. For those outside China, the wait should not be much longer, with a global rollout expected in mid to late April, likely supported by pre-orders on platforms like Amazon and B&H. The fact that the device has already cleared FCC certification makes one thing very clear. This launch is locked in. Now here is where things get especially interesting. DJI is reportedly using a blind pre-order system. Buyers are placing orders without knowing the full specifications or even the final price. It sounds risky at first, but there's a safety net. Customers can cancel once all official details are revealed. Even so, this approach shows just how confident DJI is in the product and how strong the early demand already is. In fact, those who wait too long might end up pushing to a second batch if initial stock sells out quickly. Another strong signal that launch is right around the corner is the presence of fully packaged retail boxes, including creator combo bundles, already sitting in stores and warehouses. So what exactly is driving all this demand? At the core of the Pocket 4 is a major leap forward, a 1-inch CMOS sensor. For a camera this compact, that is a massive upgrade. It translates directly into better image quality, especially in low-light conditions. Add to that an estimated 14 stops of dynamic range, and you get footage that preserves detail across both bright highlights and deep shadows, something that matters far more than just chasing resolution numbers. On top of that, DJI is introducing 10-bit log recording, giving creators far greater flexibility in post-production and color grading. This pushes the Pocket 4 beyond casual use and firmly into professional territory. Storage is another area where DJI seems to be making a smart move. Instead of relying on external cards, the Pocket 4 is expected to include around 107 gigabytes of built-in high-speed storage with transfer speeds reaching up to 800 megabytes per second. That means faster workflows, fewer interruptions, and no more worrying about carrying or swapping microSD cards. On the shooting side, practical features are taking center stage. Lossless zoom ensures image clarity is maintained without relying on digital cropping, while ActiveTrack 7.0 is expected to bring smarter and more reliable subject tracking, whether you are walking, running, or capturing motion-heavy scenes. Audio is also getting serious attention, with Osmo Audio supporting 4-channel recording and likely enhanced microphone accessories included in the Creator Combo. The Pocket 4 is evolving into a complete content creation tool rather than just a camera. DJI continues to refine its signature 3-axis gimbal stabilization, and the inclusion of a rotatable touchscreen makes switching between vertical and horizontal formats seamless, perfect for today's mix of short-form and long-form content platforms. When it comes to video, the device is expected to max out at 4K 120 frames per second, delivering smooth slow-motion footage. While some expected 6K, DJI appears to be focusing on performance, reliability, and usability rather than chasing higher numbers, which honestly feels like the smarter move. Pricing leaks suggest the standard version could land between $499 and $599, while the Creator Combo may range from $649 to $749. Considering everything packed into this compact form factor, it positions the Pocket 4 as a powerful yet accessible tool for serious creators. And that is really the bigger picture here. This is not just about flashy upgrades. It is about meaningful improvements that enhance real-world usability, from image quality to workflow to tracking and audio. Now, shifting gears, another name is starting to generate serious curiosity: the DJI Air 4. It all began with a leaked image, reportedly showing a crashed prototype. Not exactly the ideal introduction, but the real value lies in the visible design details. From a top-down perspective, the Air 4 looks sharper and more aggressive. The body appears more refined, with thicker arms that suggest a stronger and possibly more capable build compared to the Air 3. Those thicker arms may not just be for durability. Observers believe they can house additional obstacle avoidance sensors, including potential top-mounted sensors. If that turns out to be true, it would mark a major step forward. The Air 3 already offered solid obstacle detection, but it was not fully comprehensive. The Air 4 could move closer to the intelligence and safety systems seen in the Mavic lineup, allowing pilots to navigate complex environments like forests or urban areas with far greater confidence. This kind of advancement would not only improve safety but also unlock new creative possibilities, especially for dynamic tracking shots in challenging environments. And of course, the camera remains the heart of it all. While nothing is officially confirmed, many leaks suggest a larger and more capable sensor, possibly even reaching the highly desired 1-inch mark. A sensor upgrade like that would significantly improve low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image clarity. Even if it falls slightly below that threshold, insiders still expect noticeable improvements over the Air 3, particularly in video performance. Strong 4K capabilities, higher frame rates, better HDR, and more refined color profiles are all being discussed, alongside smarter in-camera processing that reduces the need for heavy post-production. Battery life is another area where changes are expected. DJI may be using the revised design to extend flight time, either through larger batteries or more efficient motors. That could mean longer sessions in the air and improved stability in windy or unpredictable conditions. The Air series has always been about balance, combining power with portability, and the Air 4 seems ready to carry that tradition forward with more intelligence and performance layered on top. As for release timing, it remains uncertain. Some leaks point to late 2025, while others suggest early 2026. DJI typically avoids releasing new models too quickly to protect current product sales, so a carefully timed launch is likely. Pricing is still unknown, but the most logical expectation is that it will sit slightly above the Air 3, while remaining below the Mavic lineup, maintaining that sweet spot that has made the Air series so popular. So when you look at everything together, even from leaks alone, the DJI Air 4 appears to be a thoughtful evolution rather than a complete overhaul. Better sensing, improved design, enhanced processing, and a stronger camera system all point toward a drone built for reliability and creative freedom. If you already own the Air 3, upgrading may not be urgent. But if you are waiting for a balanced, powerful, and travel-friendly drone, this is definitely one to watch closely. Because if these leaks hold true, the Air 4 might just redefine what a mid-range drone is capable of. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.